A specialist is someone who takes all of their experience and puts it into one skill set, hoping to maximize their return on using that skill set, which then would lead to disproportionate returns for the work that they put in that field. A generalist is someone who puts their time and effort into many things so that they have an expansive array of skills that they're proficient at. The phrase jack of all trades, master of none is actually a bastardization of the phrase jack of all trades, master of one, meaning that originally a generalist was someone expected to do well in many things with an exceptional performance in one of those things. This shift in perspective has allowed me to give myself permission to go all in on one skill at a time, knowing that I'm going to outperform in one area of my life than others just by default. At a certain point of your growth in any endeavor, you'll start seeing diminishing returns on the things that you're working on and growing in, meaning that 20% of your effort in the actual development of that skill will result in 80% of the results that you get from that skill. That remaining 20% that's left over will require sometimes 4 to 10 times as much effort, meaning you're going to see diminishing returns on those things. As a generalist, it's understanding that principle that you want to maximize how frequently you're gaining 80% of your growth in many different fields of work and in many different skill sets and specialties. While being the absolute best is a worthy goal to pursue if you want to become the best in that field, however, the odds of achieving that level are statistically extremely minimal. In fact, the chances of being the very best at anything is 1 out of 8 billion. Meaning you're competing with the whole world. I think that I am definitely more in the realist camp than the blind optimism spectrum. It's important to understand the realities and the challenges of the path that we choose to pursue.